Today we're going to look at a review problem for the test tomorrow on trigonometry. This is the Batman problem that you worked in class. The police commissioner in Gotham City is testing a new way of using the bat signal so that the signal is immediately above the crime that Batman needs to attend. Notice the words immediately above are underlined because they're going to become very important. In order to do this, the commissioner needs to calculate various measurements using trigonometry. He never thought he'd use it, but how wrong he was. Help the commissioner calculate the missing information for the crimes being committed. The Joker is robbing Gotham's bank. Well, first, I see that the commissioner knows the angle of elevation right here, the angle of elevation. Okay, he knows the angle of elevation and he knows that that is 23 degrees. He also knows how far the bat signal will project into the sky, this distance right here of 9 kilometers. That is directly above or immediately above the crime scene. So that means that this is going to create a right angle. He needs to find out how far is it to the scene of the crime. How far does Batman have to go? Well, first of all, our angle of elevation is 23. That means that this side, which we don't really need to know anything about, is the opposite side. This side is the hypotenuse. That's the side across from the right angle, which leaves the side that we need to know about to be the adjacent side. We also know that the cosine, let's write it here, is the adjacent side over the opposite side. So the cosine of our 23 degrees is going to be the length of the adjacent side, which is what we are looking for, over the hypotenuse, which we know is 9 kilometers. Okay, so to undo this division right here, we're going to multiply both sides by 9 kilometers. So we now see that 9 times the cosine of 23 degrees is equal to our adjacent side, which is how far Batman needs to go. So we're going to take our calculator, we're going to turn it on, and the first thing we're going to do is check our mode to make sure that we are in degree mode, which we are. We don't want to be in radian mode for this problem because this problem is in degrees. So do second quit to go back to your home screen, and now do 9 times the cosine of 23 degrees, close your parentheses around that argument, and hit enter. We're going to round to the tenths place, so this 8 will make the 2 round to a 3. So the adjacent side is 8.3 kilometers. So that's how far Batman will have to go, 8.3 kilometers from the light to get to where the Joker is. All right, I hope this helped. If not, send me a message on Edmodo.